guys, I'm together with my brother.
Hello.
Say hello world.
Hello world.
He's an echo. Say I'm an echo.
I'm an echo.
LOL.
Lol.
I wanna say, let's open some Fakemon cards.
Open fake one
Oh,
card.
it's open. Me and my friend from another channel called IR Creative created this. And you can create our own. See, my brother's playing with the camera too. But for today, let's open this. I made this myself.
I made this myself.
He's an echo.
This is cool.
I'm not a boy.
I'm the boy.
See?
See?
He's just so
He's
funny.
so funny.
And so cute.
And so
Girls,
cute.
be careful with this guy.
This guy.
He's a chick boy.
A chick boy.
He heard it.
He heard it.
But look at his handsome, beautiful face.
He's
He's so handsome. And he's so cute. Okay, by the way, let's go. Wait a moment. Okay, we're back. I'm so sorry. I have so much academic. Let's open this pack.
Let's open this back.
What do we have in here? I made this so I know what it is. O sige, if you know what it is. See, my brother's echoing me whatever I say. Oh yeah, by the way, I forgot to mention. The contents of this material is to make your own Fakemon cards and then 3 real cards.
Hello.
And we're back. Can you see what we have? Let's see. We have spider balls. He has the Webzuka. Tons of infinities there. And then he has the egg blast. More tons of infinities.
And yung cancer, no?
And 500 is... And then punch is 5 million infinities.
At yung cancer,
And then bite is... Can cause poison. But it's a infinity. Super here. So stop it.
Stop it.
See. Oh. It's upside down. Okay. The other one is our make our own. We can make any Fakemon cards I want. Now here is Calaboose. He's strong. And here are his powers. Okay, you've seen them. We created them. We just draw in I forgot 1/9 piece of paper. 1/9. Stop it. I just have it. I just have a 1/4 piece of paper into 4 quarters, equal quarters. And look who we have here. It's Cuter Pie.
It's cuter pie.
Get hypnotized. Which is one of her powers. Whatever, I forgot if it's a boy or a girl. One of the powers. And then we have another make our own. With our own type. With our own HP and with our if it's basic or whatever or evolve. And then with its own name and own powers. And own picture. Imagine that. How much hard work we made to make a bunch of cards. And one of my friends even make a card called Blah Blah Blah, which is the mouth. And one of my friends also make a ketchup. Wait, was it ketchup stuff? I'm not familiar with it, but it's something to do with ketchup. My friend is a master at this. He made a lot, and most of them has infinity HP. What? We made it. Okay, here's back my brother. Then, say hi.
Hi.
Bleh.
Bleh.
He echo.
He echo.
Me.
You.
he's my baby boy. And I have here another special guest who is still getting ready. Called Sobe. Are you ready to meet her?
I'm ready. Auntie.
And then my baby sister. She's so cute. Look, she's so cute. And look at my brother. Finishing all the iced tea. Very cold. Close the ref.
Achi, di ba masarap ang honey blend?
Nag-YouTube kami. By the way, I'm so sorry. Someone is interrupting the video. And this cute little guy. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. It's, including you, Jed, and Nasel, and whoever subscribed. Which is also myself, accidentally. Anyways, I got 5 subscribers. It's because one of them is me, another one is me, and the other one is me. Don't judge. I used my grandfather and my friend's account to do two of them. But one of them, I have 2 accounts. I forgot my password. And oh yeah. By the way,
Hello, in the YouTube.
if you're thinking that we only have Fakemon cards, well, wrong. We have Poke cards too. Don't you dare. And hey.
Hey.
Okay, we're doing a punching fight now. Stop it.
Stop it.
Okay,
Okay.
I want to do this now. The ultimate punch. How we do the fist bump. The soft way. I just did it to my brother. You know what? To his fist. Stop it!
Stop it.
Oh, by the way, before we end up into a fight here,
Right here.
stop it.
Stop it.
Which we are already starting.
Starting.
Please subscribe and leave a like down below. Hey, Shobe, stop.
Stop.
Adrian!
Adrian.
His name is Adrian, and I'm Sophia, and this is baby Sabina. Sabina. And if you must know, we are the Super Saiyans Trio! We are the Super Saiyans Trio! Okay, thanks for watching. And this baby has to go down now. I'm just carrying her. Get down, little guy. There's no one yo! Okay, imagine that. How can a kid call one yo? And then we also have the Brosis Duo, but those are not challenged. Is that what we call ourselves? Now he's pretending to do it with the sofa. Look at him do it. Don't you think they are so cute? Okay, now goodbye, YouTube!
Goodbye, YouTube!
Kili Kili Power!
Kili Power!
Kili Kili Power! By the way, if you want a Q&A, leave questions down below. I have a question.
I ask question.
Does my brother
My brother
copy me
copy me
all the time?
all the time.
And the one who has the correct answer
Answer
and with their question
son.
will be the first question to be answered the next video I made. Thank you for watching, and this is the cute little baby. It's my sister and my brother. Okay guys, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
And Ate Gemma, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye to YouTube.
I don't care.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, so that's it for today. And please,
Bye-bye, YouTube.
this guy is irritating me. Do you think he does that every day?
Bye-bye.
Well, if you are correct in your answers, with your question, first to be answered, Guaranteed. Oh yeah. If you wanna watch my friend's channel, IR Creative, then go on. And I can't believe we got more than 200 subscribers rather than me. Or maybe it's because of the Pokemon stuff. I wonder. Hey, look how they fight. See. Hey, stop it! Okay, now you get how we fight. By the way, I want to join the fun, so bye-bye!